Hello, everyone. This is Sebastian Westerink with the National Weather Service San Diego. I'm going to give a brief weather overview for this week. So, first, we're going to discuss the current weather system that's moving through, which is bringing very gusty winds for the mountains and the desert slopes, but also will bring chances for light rain through tomorrow morning. Once that moves through, we'll have chances for patchy morning frost in the usually colder spots, and after a few days of drier weather, we could see a return of rain and mountain snow chances into this weekend. So this is a satellite loop here of the clouds that we saw earlier this afternoon. These clouds are streaming all the way from deep into the Pacific Ocean, where uh, we're getting remnants from the moisture from the tropical storm, and that's made its way all the way through into California, into the Intermountain West, giving us clouds this afternoon, but also these cool gravity wave clouds that uh, are propagating throughout the desert. Now, once this band moves through, we will see the main energy from the upper level low move through tonight into the overnight hours, and that should give us some very light rainfall for certain areas. We're thinking no more than 5/100ths of an inch for areas in San Diego County and the Inland Empire. Now, the mountains could, in fact, get more rainfall as a result of being able to squeeze out more moisture. They could get up to a quarter inch of rain from the system. And certain areas could also remain dry. At this point, it seems like Orange County and most of the inland deserts will remain dry throughout the system. So here is a loop of what the precipitation could look like tonight. For the most part, it's just very isolated light showers. And here are the high temperatures for tomorrow. For the most part, temperatures will remain pretty homogeneous throughout the region, thinking no higher than the mid to upper 60s, even for areas that are warmer like the Inland Empire will top out no higher than 70 degrees. Tuesday night, since the storm has moved through, we'll be left with the drier air behind it, and it will yield some pretty chilly overnight temperatures, as low as the mid 30s in the usually cooler spots like Ramona and Victorville. So some of the areas in the colder areas of the Intermountain, the high desert, as well as the interior valleys of San Diego County and the Inland Empire could get down into the mid to upper 30s, which could yield some patchy morning frost. So make sure to protect your plants if you have any outdoors. Now for Wednesday, we should see slightly warmer temperatures. For the most part, inland areas will be comfortably topping out in the mid to upper, or in the low to mid 70s. And for the deserts, temperatures will also be very comfortable in the upper 70s and topping out at around 80 degrees in Palm Springs. Now, looking past the system, we'll see a few days of dry weather and then the return of rain chances into this weekend for San Diego County. Now, at this point, it seems like our chances for above normal precip have decreased a little bit from the last precipitation outlook from 24 hours ago, but nevertheless, it still looks like there'll be a trough that moves through the region, bringing about cooler temperatures, but also the chance for rain. So right now, the models are showing slightly different results about our chances of getting rainfall, and in this case, we're seeing some different scenarios about how the trough could dig into the U.S. This weekend, and for some of the outputs that show the trough digging straight north to south from Oregon all the way until coastal Southern California, this system has a chance of tapping into some moisture and actually delivering some rain. But for the runs that show that the trough sort of digs into Nevada, we could see more of a drier scenario like this current system that we're dealing with now. So we'll have to monitor these conditions in the next few days. Thanks for watching, and make sure to get our detailed forecasts at weather.gov.